Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Defender identifies the same PUP repeatedly. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %program data %. Click View, check Hidden Items. Click Microsoft, click Windows Defender. Click Scans. Open History. Delete Service folder. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Turn off then turn on. If same error still exists, second method is type Event Viewer in Windows search bar. Click Event Viewer. Click and expand Applications and Services log. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand Windows Defender. Click Operational. Click Clear Log. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.